Himeji Castle is one of the most famous and historic palaces in Japan. It is located in the city of Himeji, Hyogo Prefecture. Himeji Castle was first built around 1400 AD. Although parts of it have been rebuilt at different times, it still maintains an original architectural style and structure. The main structure of the palace consists of sturdy wooden construction and multi-level roofs, which are specially designed to protect against enemy attacks. Himeji Castle is both a national treasure and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, symbolizing the beauty and strength of Japan's feudal architecture. Dear visitors, today we will know the mysterious aspects of Himeji Castle. How is it made, and why is it so popular among the viewers? Learn about its history and various aspects. Himeji Castle dates back to 1333 when a feudal lord named Akamatsu Norimura built a fortress in the city of Himeji. In 1581, the famous Japanese feudal lord and general Toyotomi Hideyoshi renovated and expanded the castle. During this time, a three-story tower was added to the fort. Himeji Castle is a Hirayama type of castle, which is located on a hill. It is made up of various partial towers, walls, and entrances, including a 7-story main tower. The structure is designed in such a way that it is as visually pleasing as it is defensive. Himeji Castle is called the White Goat Palace, because it looks like a flying goat. The entrance to Himeji Castle is designed in such a way, it becomes difficult for enemies to enter it. The castle is surrounded by beautiful gardens with cherry trees. In spring, when the cherry blossoms bloom, the castle takes on a heavenly appearance. The combination of flower beauty and white palaces has made it popular with tourists as an extraordinary sight. There are several steep roads to reach the main part of the castle. One is known as Kachiro-oro, which is mainly made of stone and wooden stairs. These roads are connected to the fort on the one hand and play an important role in the defensive system on the other. Under the Tokugawa shogunate, an important feudal lord named Ikeda Taramasa completely rebuilt the castle between 1601, and Himeji Castle was fortunately intact despite heavy bombing during World War II in 1945. In 1993, Himeji Castle was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, an outstanding example of Japan's historical architecture. It is now open to tourists and has become one of the most popular historical sites in Japan. Himeji Castle is not just a castle, it is a symbol of Japanese history. It is a trace of Japan's heritage feudal era and blends Shinto and Buddhist heritage. For these diverse features, Himeji Castle is considered an outstanding example of Japanese architecture and culture, which fascinates visitors and introduces the rich history of Japan.